All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we had a beautiful H pattern, 555, low of the day. We missed the opportunity to get in at roughly around 941, 942. We were doing other stuff. We were in a different market. But what goes up must come down. So we were going to be prepared to take the rebound off of this quick run up and see if we can get about $1 drop. So as it gets close, we'll pull the trigger.
Order filled.
All right, did I turn my mic on? Yeah, it's on. All right, good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, October 29th, 2024, and we're going down with QQQ. Inverted H, moving average bounce, oscillator agreement. Inverted H, moving average bounce, slingshot. Inverted H, moving average bounce, lightning to the downside.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 drop, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in half of our gains, and we're going to see if this price can drop through the 21 moving average on our 1 minute chart. If it gets stuck up there and just before the bar closes, if it doesn't have an abrasive drop, we'll just pull profits at that point. All right, it's looking like this price is not going to drop any farther, so it might get hung up on here, cause an H pattern here in a bit, and then take off the moving average bounce. So we're going to get out right.
Order filled.
And they're slightly better than $1 move today, ladies and gentlemen. Not too bad for less than 5 minutes worth of work. As always, never forget, be a pro.
Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, October 29th, 2024, and we're going down with QQQ. V pattern, wide state, oscillator agreement. V pattern, wide state, inverted H. V pattern, wide state,
Horizontal line triggered
oscillator agreement.
QQ.
And there's a $1 drop, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to lock in half of our gains. And with this 10G climb up, we're expecting a 10G climb down and basically come back to where we started, which is roughly around the 496, 496.25 area. So if there's little to no follow through around that area, we're just going to pull our profits. So we're going to just see how this reacts to the 21 and the 200 moving average on both the 1 minute and the 2 minute chart. We're going to pull our profits right.
Order filled.
And there's about $1.60 drop on this one. So the first trade that we took was roughly around $1. This one was $1.60. So we're looking at $2.60 for 2 trades today, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.